Otmar Szafnauer is going to be replaced by Bruno Famin after the summer break. What I've predicted in a couple of my videos previously has now officially been confirmed, according to a report, an article just published about an hour ago on Planet F1. I think it is absolutely the wrong decision. I think Otmar Szafnauer has been used as a scapegoat. I think they're still sour about the Piastri saga when they lost Oscar Piastri to McLaren. I think it is definitely the wrong decision. I think he did a stunning job at Racing Point, and I also think he did a stunning job at when he was at Aston Martin, and I actually think he did alright at Alpine, but I do think the way it all panned out for him is very unlucky. But I do hope he's going to remain in Formula 1. I mean, Pat Fry is going to move to Williams to be the technical director, apparently. I think that is also a great move by Williams. But all in all, I hope we're gonna see Otmar Szafnauer another team. Anyway, this is just what I'm thinking. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. Cheers for watching. If you're awesome, please smash the subscribe button, and I'll see you soon for another video. Bye for now, guys. Bye.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.